I have horrible news. It took 4 days to get over the heartbreak. I'm ready to talk about it. Guys, my Tesla is a Mesla. I was trying to do like a 20-point turn. There was a car in the way. It's so wide. It's like very narrow to get it into my garage space. I couldn't get the angle. I still have muscle memory. It was a week old, by the way. I still have muscle memory where like you reverse, you push up, and you put it in drive, you go down. I swear every day I still do it. I swiped up to go forward and apparently it didn't take, and I hit the accelerator and backed right into the corner of the garage. Just like buying the Tesla, it is a different process, very tech and app heavy. So there are certified body shops near us, but they have a Tesla collision center in King of Prussia. So I thought the best thing to do was to take it there to make sure all the sensors and everything is working. But they were like, we don't do it normal, so you have to tell your insurance company that we need them to give an estimate first. And they were, I think, like 10 days out to get an appointment. And I was like, okay, like you can't get anyone on the phone, just like buying a Tesla. So the insurance company was like, what? They're very nice. We use Westfield. And they got it figured out. The guy took about 3 days, and Tesla Collision Center was like messaging me in the app like, when are you gonna get us this estimate? I'm like, well, they're not used to doing things like this. So yeah, it was just a little bit of a pain in the butt, but just like when you try to trade in a car, I uploaded pictures of the damage, and they estimated $8,800 to my car. I asked them if they do a loaner, like BMW. If you got any work done, they would just give you a loaner for free. And I have not heard back, so hopefully I get a Tesla loaner. If not, my insurance does cover like rental cars, so I can get a rental car. And they said they're estimating, not Tesla, my insurance said they're estimating 8 days to get it fixed. And I guess this is our first road trip today. We're going on a road trip. Thank goodness it still drives. Like there's no issue with that, because I'm taking my daughter to Dutch Wonderland for Christmas today. So, but our first road trip with it is in Cape May on Thanksgiving. So I want to have my car nice and beautifully restored to its original glory. So that's where we are. So it is Saturday, and the appointment is Wednesday night at 4:45. So it'll be interesting to see what the process is like. First time watching Netflix on the Tesla on a road trip. Today's the day. This is all beat up. Good job, Laura. So they want me to clear everything out of the Tesla. Like nothing is allowed to be left in here. So I'm going to get it cleaned out, and we're going to the Tesla Collision Center tonight to get my daughter. And I'm going to use this to get all the crap that I need. Chargers, sunglasses, glasses, AirPods. How dirty this car is already. So I switched. We got her a new car seat, which is really nice and matches the Tesla really nice. But I switched to this because I have to go pick her up, and then I got a babysitter. But I wanted to show you this. I asked them to fix this. As you can see, this is the buckle, and then it's twisted. Do you see that? That's how it came. So I'm hoping it's Wednesday, and we leave next Wednesday for 2 nights to go to Congress Hall for Thanksgiving. And I can't drive a piece of crap Enterprise rental car for all the way to Cape May. So I'm really hoping that their strategy of ordering everything and then we get it back really quickly, because it's just like a small little panel. It's not big, right? Right. Oh, there she is. Everything meant to be will stay. Let's go look at Teslas. Bye, Tesla. I'll miss you. I'm very sick, excuse me, but it's been almost 48 hours. Tesla, my car's not moved from the parking lot. It has not gone into the garage. Like, I'm so annoyed. I messaged them and they said, oh, we'll disassemble it on Monday. Because I messaged them and said, do you have
any update, like is the damage a lot worse? Because I thought he said they would disassemble it yesterday. He's like, we'll give you an update next week. We haven't disassembled it yet. I was like, well, I only have so much coverage on a rental car. So basically, I now have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and 5 days of annoying rental car and like using up my insurance cost for no reason. Not good.
It has been 6 days since I dropped off my Tesla. And they have this thing in the app where you can see the exact location, which is really nice when you are in a big parking lot and you forgot where you parked. However, I checked it like 3 times a day and it's been sitting in the Tesla Collision Center at the same spot for 6 days. And tomorrow we're going to Congress Hall in Cape May for Thanksgiving for 2 nights. I don't want to drive. Like, I don't even feel safe in this rental. It's like a Nissan Rogue. It's just not very nice. And I would like to self-drive. And my husband's driving separately from work to go to Cape May. So, it's not like we have his car. So anyways, I messaged them last night, like, if you guys haven't touched it, can I come get it? And I'll return it on Monday. Didn't answer. So then I messaged them this morning. My daughter's off school. And they said, sure, let me know when you're coming in and we'll have it ready for you. And then I got in touch with Enterprise and they said leave the keys with Tesla and they will come and get the car and then bring me another rental on Monday. But I just like, what was the whole thing about? Oh, we will. The reason why we do estimates is so all the parts are here, we can get it done quickly. Why would you take a car and let it sit there it's very frustrating. Like, I miss my car. I'm in love with my Tesla now, especially after having 2 crappy rental cars in this process. Going to get the Tesla, happy to be reunited, have to do it with my daughter in a car seat and clean out the car. And it's a lot of logistics, but she's off school. We have nothing to do. And that way we have the Tesla for the road trip tomorrow.
Am I gonna have the best vacation ever? Only me.
Cannot something now. It's like rubbed off. Are you happy to have her back, Landon? Eve, even if she's still a little beat up. All right, let's go get. We took the Tesla on the road trip and it was absolutely amazing. It was so relaxing. 2-hour drive both ways to Cape May. I love my car. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take my daughter to school on Monday and he promised that our car is going to be the first car that goes into the shop. So hopefully it takes a week, maybe 2. Fingers crossed. Come on, Tess. We're back. Hello, Tesla. Hi guys, it's December 2nd. I dropped my Tesla off today after Thanksgiving. Very excited. He said they're gonna look at it at noon right away. First car, and then the news that it's 2 to 3 weeks. But I do have a nicer car. I just put the car seat in. It's like a Buick. I think it's an Encore. It's got like leather seats. It was only $40 a day allowance from the insurance company, but the girl who works at Enterprise actually has an uncle that works with my husband or something like that. So I think she might have hooked me up because the Nissan Rogue was not good. I just read actually Nissan's got like another year and they think they're gonna close it all down. The sales are not good. I'm not surprised. This drives not like a Tesla or BMW, but a whole lot nicer than the Nissan. So I'm grateful to have it and we'll see, 2 to 3 weeks. He said the X is a very complicated, lots I forget the word he used, like small parts or something, and a complicated vehicle, and they have to take like all the back seats out and things. So crazy. My car is still in the shop. It is a couple days before Christmas and I'm hoping we get it back by the 26th or 27th because we leave on a cruise on the 28th up in New York. So it's like a 2.5-hour drive. But they said that I guess it's just a lot of work and they're super overwhelmed. It's deer season, but it was the very first 2024 Tesla X that they've had at that shop, which is funny. And then he said, first of all, he called me Gal Pal. He's very nice, but I was like, I don't think I've ever been called Gal Pal. And that the seat, they actually can fix the seatbelt in my daughter's seat. Because the 2024 is made different. The older X's, they need to take it apart. So that's good news. And I won't know the actual total until they finish. Like, they don't have any estimate on repairs. I feel like my rental car is probably expired, but I don't know. So hopefully we get it back in a week. Or in 5 days. I'll let you know. Finally happening. It's Friday, December 27th. Dun dun dun. My Tesla is ready. Like, we're leaving in 2 days for a week cruise. So I was like, if it's not ready by today, Friday, then you guys are gonna have to hold it for a week. I'm gonna have to keep this rental car for a week. He's like, we'll get it done, we'll get it done. So it was estimated by my insurance company to be $8,800. Over $14,000 of damage on my beautiful Tesla. I can't wait to get her back. You want to see how much damage a kid can do in a car? It's so gross. My husband took the car seat out. Ugh! Kids are gross. I failed to get video of the work that was done, the paint job. They did an amazing job. The next morning we headed up. We took the Tesla up to Bayonne, New Jersey, and caught the Odyssey of the Seas cruise ship. So we were very busy, and then we got home. It was snow and awful. So I took it to car wash, did the car wash mode, and here is what it looks like. They took off the entire back and painted it. This corner that I smashed up, and also the door, the falcon door on the right. So they had to do the paint, and I think they did a beautiful job. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed a look at what it's like to put your Tesla in the Tesla Collision Center.